Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Aku Tonpa Flameless candles with remote, a beautifully designed set that brings both elegance and safety to your home decor. If you're someone who loves the warm ambiance of candles but wants to avoid the risks and mess of real flames, this battery-operated candle set might just be what you need. This pack includes 3 flameless pillar candles in varying sizes, 4 inches, 5 inches, and 6 inches tall, all with a diameter of 3 inches. Each candle is crafted from real paraffin wax, giving it that authentic candle look and feel. What sets these apart is the realistic flashing flame LED technology that mimics the gentle flicker of a real candle flame. It's a perfect blend of tradition and technology, designed to create a cozy atmosphere without the worries of open fire, smoke, or dripping wax. One of the standout features is the included remote control, which offers you full command over the entire candle set. With 10 different keys, you can easily turn the candles on or off, adjust brightness levels, and choose between a steady light or the flashing flame mode. Even more convenient is the timer function, which lets you set the candles to automatically turn on and off after 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours. This means you can enjoy the calming glow without constantly having to remember to switch them off. Each candle is powered by 2 Ah batteries, which aren't included, but when you use high-quality batteries, you can expect around 200 hours of use. The LED bulbs have an impressively long lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, making these candles a lasting investment in both functionality and style. The elegant ivory wax finish paired with a natural hemp rope accent gives these candles a rustic yet modern look, making them a versatile addition to any room. Whether you want to add a charming touch to your bedroom, living room, or even use them for special occasions like weddings, holidays, or parties, these candles are designed to fit seamlessly. Because these are flameless, they are safe around children and pets, giving peace of mind especially in busy households. Just switch the candle's power button at the bottom to on before using the remote, and you're good to go. The candles are cordless and designed for indoor use, perfect for tabletop displays, shelves, or anywhere you'd traditionally place a candle. In terms of care, it's best to keep these candles away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures, as the wax can soften or melt. Also, avoid attempting to light them as they are not real candles, despite their realistic appearance. In summary, the Aku Tonpa Flameless candle set offers a safe, convenient, and beautiful alternative to traditional candles. With real wax construction, realistic LED flickering flames, and a handy remote with timer options, it combines style and smart functionality effortlessly. If you want the charm of candles without the hassle, this set is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews of products that matter to you. See you in the next video.